executive right now?
For me, the key for that is really always you need to challenge yourself and to go out of your comfort zone. If you look for my CV, of course, I had the luck and opportunity to try different places and different positions and different opportunities, but also I look for that because not many years after the company, I had already a relatively decent and nice position. But even though I decided to jump out of the comfort zone, I decided to move for a different country, a different challenge. And this was the reason why I kept so motivated for so long and so many years. I believe if you stay doing the same thing, even if you are good on that, many years, probably you need to change company. But fortunately, in our company, we have the chance really to be international, to work in different environments, different countries, very different positions, and this is the reason why I'm still in the same company after all of these years. Of course, I had different opportunities to jump to different companies. I was invited several times to do that, but I was always able to find the right opportunity inside Siemens LCDs, and that's the reason why I'm still here. Hopefully, I can continue my career in the company because really, up to now, I just can say that I had the opportunity to try different challenges, different positions in very different environments. And this is a great thing in terms of the life experience.